Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to help you guys get your money back, and I'm gonna show you guys how to talk to scammers. I'm gonna give you a couple of tips so you guys could get your money back if you guys are almost like getting scammed on Mercari. And I know there's a lot of scams going on Mercari, and for the most part it's a safe place to buy stuff, and I've never had a problem, and the team of Mercari is usually like they handle everything, so it always goes very smooth. And so yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I hope it does help. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and give this video a thumbs up, and comment any questions that you guys might have. Yeah, let's get right to the video. So the very first thing that I recommend is to not rate the buyer. Once you guys rate the buyer like out of 5 stars, then you guys are accepting the package, and it's gonna be really hard to get a refund after that, because it literally says I am accepting the package at the top, and then it says rate buyer. So if you guys rate the buyer, you guys won't be able to get a refund. Most likely you guys won't be able to get a refund, but that is just based on my experience on what has happened. So always make sure to not rate them. Once you rate them, your refund is basically gone. And the next thing that you guys are going to do is contact Mercari, and there's gonna be like a button. It's gonna say like haven't received package, and you're gonna put no, and then you're gonna tell them, oh, I received something broken, or the description doesn't match up to what it said on Mercari, and I received something that's fake, like I received fake AirPods, or I received like a fake purse or something like that. But always make sure to reach out to them, or else they won't know what's going on. And from my experience, like you can't send a package back and do like something like on the side, like Mercari has to keep track. Like if you guys were to send a package back, they would have to keep track of it. They want to make sure that everything runs smoothly, and they keep track. Like if I asked for a refund and I sent the thing back, they want to keep track of it, and they want to make sure that the other person got it, and then they could give you your money back. And yeah, they handle everything, so that's pretty cool. Like with eBay, that's why I kind of hesitate to buy from eBay, because I kind of I'm like I have anxiety, so I get anxious sometimes like buying from eBay, because I'm like, oh my god, what if they sent me something that doesn't work? So when you guys message Mercari, they're gonna contact you, they're gonna ask you for pictures, and they're gonna ask you what happened, and you guys need to be like on top of things on what you say in the chat, because they're gonna check the chat, and they're gonna see which one is the scammer. So if you're saying, oh no, yeah, you're right, I didn't receive the thing broken, maybe the UPS broke it, and then they're gonna take the liability off of the other person, and they're gonna say, oh well, maybe the UPS broke it, maybe we shouldn't give them a refund because it's not our problem. So always make sure to keep your story straight. Basically always, like if you receive something broken and the person that sold it to you, they're saying like, oh no, I didn't send you something broken. Like in my last video, I'm gonna link it right here if you guys want to watch it, when they sent me a broken lens, and he was saying that he didn't send it broken, that I was the one that broke it. So always make sure to say your side of the story on the chat, because they will see who is telling the truth and who's the scammer. And usually the scammer usually gets mad, and they start saying stuff like, I would never do that, or you're crazy. Like I've had a lady call me crazy on my sister's account because she sent us a broken printer, and she was trying to play it off like she didn't send it broken, like she knew what she was doing. So sometimes an offer is too good to be true, so you guys just have to be careful. So always make sure that your story is set, and do not let the person that's trying to scam you, they will try to manipulate you, and they're gonna say like, oh no, I didn't send it broken, like you're probably the one that broke it, or the UPS broke it, the USPS broke it, but you know very well like what you've seen. It's like literally catching someone cheating. They're gonna be like, oh well, it wasn't me, like even though you've seen them like with someone else, like straight in your face, and they're gonna be like, oh well, it wasn't me, like you're the one that's crazy. So you guys have to be careful when you guys are talking to scammers on the chat, because these people will try to make it seem so believable that you're the crazy one, even though you're the one that's over here like losing money. You're about to lose $100, $200, and it's literally so frustrating talking to these people through the chat. Always make sure to be careful what you say on the chat, okay? So don't try to twist the story, because you won't get the refund, because they will see like, oh, maybe this person did break in, they're just trying to send it back broken. So just be careful what you say in the chat, and also take good pictures of everything if you guys are sending something back. So just be very careful. So my last tip that I have for you guys is to be patient during the process that you guys are getting a return, because sometimes it does take them a couple of days. It takes Mercari a couple of days for them to get back to you, because you are not the only person that they have to talk to. So sometimes they take long, sometimes they take just a couple of minutes. So just be patient. So some offers, the ones that seem too good to be true, sometimes they are too good to be true, but you just have to watch how people chat with you in the chat. Like if you guys are talking to them through the chat, like you guys could tell when someone is just trying to get rid of something and they're trying to make something like quick, like a quick buck or whatever. They're trying to make quick money, and they're just gonna be like, oh yeah, I still have it, I just want to get rid of it. Like they will try to sell it to you right away. But if it's like a normal person, like just trying to sell their stuff, like they will just be like more nicer, and they'll tell you more about it, and it won't just be like, okay, buy this, buy, yeah, you could take it, yeah, free shipping, or they'll just try to make offers. But anyone that is trying to sell the product right away, like what they're selling, it's most likely that they're trying to scam you. And that's what I've noticed. But normal people will just be like, oh, I don't need it, I don't need it, like I don't really use it, I have a new iPhone, I don't really use it, that's why I'm selling it. So you guys always have to ask questions, just to make sure that you are talking to a legit person and you guys aren't talking to a scammer. So that is what has helped me. Like I usually message them, even if it's just like for clothes or whatever, small items. Like I want to make sure that I'm talking to a legit person, and so far so good. It has gone well. Like I've never got scammed. Yeah, so those are all my tips. I'm gonna make more videos on Mercari, and I'm gonna help you guys. Like I know how frustrating it is to have money on the line, and to have someone almost scam you, and to have to message like Mercari back and forth and send them all the pictures. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if it helps, and if you guys want me to do any type of other video, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.